Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Manlift for siding installation. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Manlift basket to use when installing siding on a tall building. First of all, I made myself a table. It has a piece of lumber here so that it won't slide off. I have notches here, so that when I don't have any siding on it, then it will slide in to give me some extra room in the basket. The siding will sit on the table. Just slide the siding onto the table, like this. Make sure that you put the siding on the right way, so that you won't need to flip it when installing it. On the back, I put my trim, like the flashing in J channel. Again, make sure you slide them in the right way to make it easier to measure and cut when working on the wall. I'm right-handed, so I like to measure from right to left. As you can see, you can put pails under the cutting table that you can use for things like tools or fasteners. I have a cordless air compressor for my air tools. I have hooks like this on all of my air tools, which allows me to hang them on the basket. Notice the garbage containers that I have on each side. I use them to put shorter pieces of materials in, as well as garbage when I'm stripping off old siding. I can also hang my air tools or caulking gun on them. This is really handy. It's a cordless caulking gun. Wherever you have room, you can hang extra pails to put more things in. I have a tool bag fastened to the top of the basket, which I use to store tools I'm using all the time. This is the cordless air compressor I told you about earlier. It's really handy, because you don't need to hang your air hose down to a compressor on the ground. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.